Bani dekat Dudashin Meghalaya, bani priang sopai pi boro sya ketupuam tak kejanmit, syaman paj ki kubor ki babnia ngine pechai ki mat pekongsan. Bo mau nongrim Menteri Rangba ke jela nak benta ke jingpin internet ia ke yodo. Belaj Menteri Rangba ke jela ia ke jingsam ia ke urban livelihood grants. Kamon ke bas kem amtang ke jingdon ya ki brio ban tere kade kalat ban yale ya ke jingwan rumbe an ong uba rumboi. But yo ke jela sau poteli ki seat puli doktor HYC dang up ban yo jingmenjur ke Shillong Medical College. Ki khbor ki babnya. Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma hine kesni ulabu yu umau nongrem na ke benta ban pin internet bat penhe ya ke yodu ke badai ke yo tenrai ke balarim tam bat ke bahe tam ha Meghalaya. Ya ke ni ke projek an pentrekam hakilai teliki benta ha ke basan kelur lamang na ke benta ke phase 1 bat khatlai point khandai pusau kelur na ke benta ke phase 2 ling ba ke North Eastern Council ke jing thmu na ke benta ke phase 3 kadang ya chakmat. Ha ke ni kesni layo i ya ke jing don lang jong usembut Menteri Rangba ke jela uba prestun tensong bat ki ki reu Rangba ba kentup ya usim bat ki menteri jong ke hima milim bat ki nong trai jong ke district.
Prinsip masyarakat pernah kebentak ke development ke renovation bagi improvement juga yodo market ada mentang ladan ke phase 1 ke pengasdang ni begin lagi ni payment ni seorang stone ke jutai ke lanang ya ke apa minta ke di nak kebentak bandi ni utility docs kata bentik of the municipal board ke phase 2
ke Shillong Municipal Board kala penlong ya ke program bo mau nongrim ha ke jaka baju penlong jingknia ha kli yo ke bala board pat daki program na ke bentaki pajba ha ke parking lot jong ke SMB. Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ula sam ya ki song ai jingerap pisa hapo ke Chief Minister Urban Livelihood Grant lane ke CMULG ban ai jing kershan ya ki nong sengkam la jong ki berit. Ha ke ni ke program lawan benesyam benta daki sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela i ba presun tensong bat i ba snyau bhalang dhar kinong trei bat kinong ilam shnong bat ka kli yo kala long shisha kumshi benta jong ke yodu bat kan yai beteng ban long ka jaka ka ba pen pau ya ka kolshor bat ki kam khayi peteng barem KHASI.
I think if everybody, all the 5,500 different shopkeepers and vendors, if we all come together and do our part, I'm sure that Yodo will become one of the most beautiful markets, not just in Shillong, but in the whole of Northeast and the whole of India.
Unong ilam ke seng UDP pad UMLA ke amlarem uba lakmen remboy ula banjur ba ke jela ke donkam ya kamon ke baskem ha ke kam san hima sima ban ai ya ke jingyo khambun ki briu ki ban pinbet ya ki mat bayadei bat ke jingwan rung kintlep ki briu ki banabar. Ula maham ba ka jing sha be jong ki briu na jela Assam kala ban wanra ya ka jingwan poiwer ki briu ki bamdei ki trairi sha Meghalaya bad ula kentu badai ban pen khlan ya ka jing pet perman haba pen pau ya ka jing sokhya na ka jingwan rung be an babun sin ki nong Bangladesh uba rumboi ula kentu ban kampen khlan ya ki bor pahara ula kenturu ya ka sarkar pedeng ban kampen kloi ban pendep ya ka jing ker sainar ya sanpo khandai kilometer ka jaka khaput ka padang sateng.
What is their motive, we don't know. So this is a very alarming trend which I see. But thanks to the general public, thanks to the villagers on the border area, we have seen that with the cooperation of the people from the area and also with the cooperation of the BSF and the police, we hope that this thing they will able to tackle.
Kajilla kalayo ya kabha kabalong South Seat na kabenta kajing puli Dr. HYC University of Science and Technology MEGHALAYA na kabenta usnam puli bamenta da kajing la pendep ya ka screening bat ka counseling da ka tanat ka kwat ka kya. U Principal Secretary u Sampath Kumar ula ong ba kanika Medical College kalong ka ba ai jing mentoy bat ya ki seats la dep ban ai shakinong puli jong kajilla. Hakabay day bat ka Shillong Medical College u Kumar ula ong ba ka National Medical Commission kala dep ban penlong ya kajing jurip bat kajila kadang up banyo ya kajing menjur na ka sarkar pedeng watla kajing banyo ya kajing ya kinohi kai kadang sa kumba khandai pho na ka shispa teliki kam badon kam ha ka SMC lala ban thep ya san pho teliki seat.
Medical college is functioning as far as we are concerned. In fact, even the seat allocation also has been done based on the number of seats that they got for this particular year. So there is a proper allocation, and the seats also have been provided to the state candidates also.
Ka sarkar MEGHALAYA kadang thmu banwan ra kum ka MEGHALAYA Health Insurance Scheme lani ka MHIS na kabenta kinong tre jongka ha ka jaka jongka reimbursement based system u Principal Secretary jongka Health and Family Welfare u Sampath Kumar ulaong ba kani ka jing terwa ka thmu ban penduna ya ka jing penslam bat ban kentiu ya ka jing penyo ya kilat sumar ki babiang u Kumar ulaong ba ya ka jing yakran bat ki hospital ki riu shimet kala penduna lupa ya ka jing don ki jing syak kentat kinong tre sarkar kimla ban pendon kam ya ka MHIS bat ka reimbursements halor ka zika case u Kumar ulaong ba amday ban sheptin bat ba ladep ban shim ya kilat ki badai.
MHIS actually is a very good scheme. In fact, many people are very happy about it because it provides cashless facility, and because you don't require to, if you have MHIS card, you can just go and get admitted and pay and get the care. So a lot of the government servants, it takes a little time because they have to first invest themselves and get the reimbursement.
Ka Border Security Force jongka MEGHALAYA kala sedang ya ka Operation Alert nadu ka shpauterik hadu ka khandruterik unailar arja arpusan hasilinter jongki jaka khaput hapadeng kari India bat Bangladesh ban pentikna ya ka jing pahara ka perking haswa ka jing rakhe ya ka sngi yo laitlo jongkari ya ka ni ka operation ka bala penlong ringkat ka jing yatrai lang ki pulit ka jella bat ki wei de ki tanat ka kentup ya ka jing khmi ya ka than ka jing yat pahara ka ba arpasau kenta na ka benta nyosngi lenter ka jing lek khenra bat ka jing pej perman ya ki wa labu shu ya ki shipai bat ya ki he officer jong ka BSF na ka benta ka ni ka operation ba ka jing thmu kalong banyada ya ka jing wan rung tu ki brio ka jing shalan be an ya ki masi bat ya ki we ki kam be an. East and West KHASI Hills da ka ba ai khatsan lak na ka benta ka jing penhe ya ka pendeng umyong Presbyterian Secondary School ba lai lakpat na ka benta ka jing rakhe ya ka Jubilee Rupa u lapliru ya ka Kamra School ka bathamai jongka Manai Higher Secondary School hadien ka jing penyar ya ka da ka ba menjur ban ai arpasan lak na ka benta ka ni ka school da ka ba banjur halor ka jing konsan bandon ya ka jing angnod ka basai u menteri rang ba ka jilla ulaya ro ya ka jing tre shitam kinong tre jong ka school bat kentu ya ki kena puli ban pai khmat shaka thong ka ba ki don.
I can announce today on this very wonderful occasion that I will contribute from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund an amount of 15 lakhs immediately for the extension of the building, and also I will give an amount of 3 lakhs to the organizing committee for the programs to be conducted for this next 1 year. It may not be enough, but it is a small contribution.
Ki sawur ki MDC jongka Trinamool Congress lani ka TMC bakan thup ya ucherak moment upadinan di Shira u Alfonso Smarak bat u Ronaldo ke sangma kilaya snok ti lang hakani ka jingaki badang ya chakmat jongka Non-Gazetted Employees Association lani ka NGEA jongka GHADC ha William Point ha ka khatlai tarik unailar Kani ka jingya ki ka balas dang na do ka nyau terik unai tung ka dawa ban pelai no mardor ya ketulap ka badang saateng hadu sau pulai benai ban penlong an ya ka riti dustur jongki garo bat ban pendep yala ka jong ka thup kerteng jongki nong thap vote habakren syakilat pathai khubor u MDC u Rinaldo ke sangma ula ong ba kalyang persya kadang yai beteng ban kershan ya kani ka jingya ki tat hadu banda urlong ki jing dawa jongki nong terai.
Two more additional points, which is the enactment of the Garo customary law and completion of the separate electoral roll, which is being stalled in the DCA, which is the District Council Affairs in the state government, and the separate electoral roll, which has been kept in abeyance for a very long time. To send a message to the government of the state and the EC that until and unless these aspirations and demands are not met, we will continue our agitations and we will stand with our NJ employees.
Ka Nyautrep Youth Council West KHASI Hills kala kentu ya Deputy Commissioner Ugarat LSN Dykes ban kentiu ya ka jing shimbriu ha ka dait nongstan na ka sanpo sha ka shispasit hapo ka jing lam jong President uba lumlang Kars Emily bat u Vice President uba Jeremiah Dakar ka HYC ka dawaru ban yo ya ka jing mikmat ka bayaringkat na baro kandai teliki block ki bedon ha West KHASI Hills Eastern West KHASI Hills bat South West KHASI Hills kila kedawru ba yakinong tray kibana rimulyang bat syalang blok kabala sedang lais na menshwa kila day ban syakan thuplang UDC ula pentikna ba yakani kamat ansayakren bat ka district level education committee
di kumbolong ini ki senam beladap lagi hajar tam di ba apply hendrai ki bayok long tang santhum delegasi tena kalian juni guan ban tempat UDC ba lakum bagian perkat thumai ya kumnu ban penrung gi samlah ketika skul hangte ban perlu tu pentubit namta ban long kumtino hikai
Ubreu uba arpo news nem kerta wan prang ngis emle na nong kendang saiden ula kenti ha kawa umtro hajan ka jingking bernihat ban light pet na kakti jong ki ba ki bala bitar hadian ka jingsha keno ba ula kini ya ka mobile phone kani ka jingja kala ja ha ka por khandai bije min step hinin ka sngi bat hapadeng ka jing treshitom jong ka kenhun ai jingerap ka fire but emergency services but ki pulit jong ka bernihat am shim patlap satya yu am patla ru bantip la ulala banjingi Shillong ne ulangam jilop ka jingwat kadang ya chkamat ka jing penbana kumshi benta jong ka jing rakhi ya kasni light lut ka Raj Bhavan Shillong kan ple na ka benta ki ba ha ka khatsau bat khasan trik unailar na do ka por laish teng janmet ha do ka por nyosh teng janmet Mintangi ne pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng hatura ka jing kriat kalong apply degree Celsius per ka jing shit kalong kat pra degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka ha kalong prap san nak shisma bat ka jing hap slap kalong kat r millimeter haba pai pat hanong ba Shillong ka jing kriat kalong kat nyau degree Celsius ba ka jing shit kalong apply degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka ha kalong prap san nak shisma bat ka jing hap slap kalong lai pukandai millimeter kat ba ha jawai pat ka jing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong apply degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka ha kalong prap nyau nak shisma bat ka jing hap slap kalong kat r millimeter kala bandon ka jing hap slap bat ka jing tir upar that ki pabun ki jaka hatura Shillong bat jawai Di palok katungi lapoi syak bakut jang katuk ko bajuni minta ke janmir hadu mendai champion pila syak sini ku play piparo
should proactively boycott drugs, says Chief Minister Laldu Homa. Leads over 600